In this short tutorial, I will show you how to open links externally in Facebook. By default, when you tap on a link in the Facebook app, it opens within the app itself. However, if you prefer to view the link in your phone's browser instead, there is a simple way to do so. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app, and then find the Facebook link that you want to open externally. Then tap on it. What you want to do next is tap on these three little dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you'll see an option called Open an external browser. Just tap on it. This will open the link in your device's default browser. In this case, it's the Safari web browser. This is exactly how you can open links externally on Facebook. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.